YouTube, it's your boy Justin back with another video today. Thank y'all for tuning to this special video today. If you're new to the channel, please, if you into men's fashion, sneakers, all that good stuff, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Upload every week. J-Fam, thank y'all for giving me this far. We almost close to 20K. Let's get there. I know we can by the end of this year. I know we're gonna hit 20K. But now, in today's video, now y'all know we transition to fall. Fall is right around the corner. So this video is for my casual wear people. If y'all need the outfits for the upcoming fall, I got y'all. This video is the casual. Then my next video, I will be doing the streetwear. But this video is strictly casual. And we're gonna go ahead and kick things off with SHEIN. I know y'all like, dang, SHEIN, you know what I'm saying? But look, I'm going for affordable and good pieces. So something y'all, like I'm telling y'all, anybody can get y'all hands on these. I'm telling y'all, I know y'all probably looking crazy thinking like SHEIN haul. I'm telling y'all, this SHEIN, I'm giving y'all free game on this SHEIN clothing.
You don't get it yet, do you? I just gave you an opportunity of a lifetime, brother.
I'm gonna show you the pieces that I got, the stores, and leaving the links in the description below. So you looking nice, you in season trend of the fall, and I'm telling y'all, you won't even have to break the bank. So you can go ahead and pile up, get into the fall wear. I'm gonna show y'all the pieces, then of course I'm gonna be trying on from the size and everything. So we're gonna go ahead and go into the first item. I actually got a whole suit. Now, let me tell y'all, this fall season, I'm telling y'all, this is more of the trend now. We ain't doing the super skinnies. We're not gonna do all these big logos on the everything. No, we're not doing that. We're gonna keep it simple but nice. But now, I done found this all black suit on SHEIN. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna be putting the links in the description below. But as for this jacket is dope. Now, this ain't no slim fit jacket. It's kind of more of the relaxed feel, but it fits perfect. Me, y'all know I'm like large in the shirt, been in the gym, so I kind of bulked up. So I'm large in the shirt, and this shirt is, this jacket is a size large, and it fit pretty good. I could go a medium size, but the large fit pretty good. But I'm gonna show y'all when I put this on how it fit, and I also got the pants from SHEIN too. So this is a whole black suit. I'm gonna show y'all how to style it, which I should wear with it. And now, I know y'all see my other video about what sneakers to get you some loafers. I'm telling y'all, go with some good dress shoes, but the loafers, you can't go wrong with loafers in style now. And I'm talking about the bulky loafers. So get you that. And we finna throw on the suit, because you know what I'm saying, you hey, holidays coming up, Thanksgiving, everything like that. You gotta come with the season, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna throw on this suit and I'm gonna show you how to style it. Let's get it. Check me out. Y'all see it. Y'all see the suit on. The jacket, I like how the buttons is like kind of off to the side. They kind of like wrap around you, but the details and like everything is like on point. Look at the quality of this. The quality of this suit is nice. It's dope, y'all. Come on now. I should get my ring light right. Come on now. Look at that. Perfect. The quality is amazing. Like I said, this is a large, but I probably could have went with a medium, but you know, the style now is kind of like a little, a little oversized. It's a tad bit, not too much, you know what I'm saying? And, and the pants hit just right on top of the shoes. Make sure you don't get your pants too big. Now, they can be a little slim and they can be a little relaxed, but make sure they hit right above the shoes, because you want to show the loafers, you want to show the shoes off. You don't want no pants that's just so baggy all over your shoes. You don't want all that, So, dope suit. Check it out, link in the description, and we're gonna hop into the next fit. I'm gonna throw it on and I'm gonna describe the materials. Let's get it. This is the next outfit, y'all. And by the way, this side note, y'all don't have to wear a tank top under these suits. Y'all can definitely wear a dress shirt with these suits. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving y'all just the pieces, overlook of the pieces that's that I got from SHEIN, and these are the pieces. So, but this size, I did go a size down just to try it out, you know what I'm saying, other than the large, and they don't fit pretty bad, you know what I'm saying. This is a size medium in this suit jacket. I love the color, paired it up with the gray pants, and of course the loafers, and the loafers are from SHEIN too, y'all. So just letting y'all know, y'all can get some loafers from SHEIN, all different type of colors, size, all that. But this is definitely a dope, you know what I'm saying, outfit. Definitely a casual, nice fit. You can't go wrong with the pants. Pants very comfortable. These are more on the slim fit, but not too like slim or skinny. I do have room in them. Fit pretty good, and the jacket is definitely dope. Check out the gold buttons on the M. Like I said, definitely good quality. Check out the jacket. Definitely good quality. Fit on my body just right. You know what I'm saying? I won't be mad at the large if I would have got a large. But the medium fit pretty good. But as y'all can see, this is definitely a good outfit. Nice jacket. So yeah, I definitely should check them out. Like I said, links to the clothing in the description below. So make sure y'all check them out. Right, this is the next outfit that we have right here. Now the shirt, I can't remember where I got the shirt from, but it definitely go with the outfit. I definitely throw on the Travis Scotts with them. Well, I probably wouldn't wear these shoes, but got the blue in and the white tan and everything. So I thought it all flow together. So I just went on to just throw these shoes on with it. But this pants, I really want to show y'all these pants. These pants are from SHEIN. I'm leaving the description below. They already cuffed, pre-made cuff, which is dope. Sit on right on top of the shoes like how I like them. These are more like on a slim fit, but they fit just perfect and they comfortable, y'all. Good quality white pants. You know what I'm saying? You can wear casual outfit. Can't go wrong with this outfit. Outfit is comfortable and dope. The colors stand out, on point. So this is the next outfit. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. The pants in description below. So y'all check that out. Outfit I got for y'all. So this last outfit, y'all see the pants. Again, I just wanted to really show y'all the pants. The pants again. These are from SHEIN. Y'all see these is like basically like baggy fit, but they dressy pants and they got a little, a little sparkle to them. Add a little, shine to them. These are trending now. You know what I'm saying? The baggy pants, little crop shirt. Can't go wrong. So I threw my crop tee right here with the pants and of course the loafers, and this is like a dope comfortable fit to me, man. Like check out the style. Yeah, these are dope. These pants are so comfortable and they so dope to me. They could be hemmed a little bit. They are a little a little long, so I will be getting these hemmed so they have to come just right on top of my shoes like I like them. But overall I just like the style of them and the pants are just comfortable. So this is the last fit, y'all. So this is more of the casual wear. If you're looking for the casual wear for the fall, going into the fall, I'll show y'all some good pieces y'all can get from SHEIN. This is SHEIN clothing haul for the fall. So y'all definitely should check it out. If you're more into the casual wear also, because you can do both like me, do the casual and the streetwear. Check out my next, subscribe first of all. Subscribe to the channel. Help y'all out and hit that notification bell, because I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna be giving y'all game on the fashion, on the sneakers every week. So you don't want to miss out. Next video will be the streetwear. So I want to see y'all there. Tune in. And if y'all like this video, hit the thumbs out for me, man. Like the video. Comment below what's your favorite outfit, what y'all looking forward to on this fall trends. You know what I'm saying? This is my opinion, my outfit. So this ain't no strictly rules or stuff like that. I'm just giving y'all some tips and some outfit ideas. So check them out. Check out SHEIN. I will be doing more clothing brand reviews and all that good stuff. So thank y'all. I really thank y'all for watching my videos, supporting me. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I do styling videos on there too. Quick, you want to look them up real quick while you shopping? Check me out. Thank y'all and see you on next video. Peace. I'm out.